It's a cold winter morning in early December, and there's been a heavy overnight frost. With the prospect of a severe winter ahead, survival is the name of the game, though there's no shortage of food here at the moment. The magic and tranquility of the canal bank is an attraction enjoyed by local residents of the nearby suburbs of North Cardiff, and the birds and animals know when they're onto a good thing. What is this life if, full of care, we have no time to stand and stare? So wrote the Welsh poet W.H. Davies, and certainly someone must have heeded his words. Tucked away in the woods near the canal, they've built a bird hide. It's a dry and reasonably comfortable place to actually sit and stare. The ponds regularly attract a variety of bird life. You can see kingfishers here, herons, coots, snipe, grebes, big and little. Today, though, all but appeared were the ubiquitous ducks. It's hard to believe that this long-lost canal was once one of Britain's busiest. Hundreds of boats plied the canal between Merthyr Tydfil and Cardiff, serving the local ironworks and coal mines. Even though it had 2 locks per mile over its 25-mile length, the canal was enormously profitable. But like other canals in Britain, its fortunes declined sharply after the coming of the railways. Happily, industry's loss is our gain. Wherever the hand of man disappears, nature was only too ready to step in and reclaim her own. It's surely a win-win situation. All manner of wildlife, plants and animals, get a second chance for survival, and appear to do so in close proximity to a large urban area such as Cardiff. And while they go about their daily business, we can take time away from ours and enjoy the free show right here on our doorstep.